Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We're on the beautiful Sur-Ron / Segway X260, and today we're doing a first ride. So as you can see, we got my beautiful electric dirt bike right here. We're doing the first ride. We're gonna go explore this whole area. Hopefully everyone is cool with it. I think so, because I ride my pit bike around here and no one really cares. And this is electric, so if they care about this, something's up. It's so fun, bro. Gang gang. We're flying, bro. We're keeping up with traffic. This thing, this bike on a full charge, ridiculous, dude. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, that's a cop right there. We're about to get pulled over. Oh, let's see. This is the moment of truth, bro. There's a cop right in front of me, boys and girls. The moment of truth. And I'm just chilling on my electric bike. Yeah. I'm waiting for the lights, bruv. I'm waiting for the lights. Oh, we got no lights behind us. What a surprise. What a surprise, man. Here he's coming. I just want to see what he's going to say, dude. If they say anything. I guess it's straight, bruv. We're chilling, bro. It has passed the test. The Sur-Ron has passed the flipping test, bruv. Let's go. We're out here, bro. Woo! Dude, all day? Are you kidding me? All day, dude. This is a wheelie machine, bro. It's definitely a lot different than a dirt bike, but then again, it's so similar. I got another wheelie rider. Let's go, pull it up. Putting in work. Of course, let me see some work. You got the McGurr brakes and shit? Yeah, hydraulic. Yeah. That's not bad. It goes around 50 miles per hour. Yeah? Yeah. So, that's fun, bro. You could just wheelie forever. Yeah.
You doing any combos on the 150 yet?
You watch MotoBroo? Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I didn't know if you knew. Yeah, but, pop it up. There it is. Oh, it's a 24. Okay. Yeah, that's why I got the 29. Let's go. Alright, well, we made it to the beautiful inlet. Bro, the water's so cool. What the hell is he saying, bro? He said, no, no, no. Oh, we're all the way on the edge, bro. It's crazy. We made it. Oh, you're just gonna give me an open runway to shred? Let's go! We out here, bro. What happened?
Yeah, dude, yelling honking at me for not getting out of the fucking bike lane.
Yeah. Bro, it is so hot out. God damn, with this helmet on, it is terrible. Bro, I still have almost all my bars. I'm missing one bar right now. And I feel like I've gone pretty... Hey, let's go! He was loving the Segway. Everyone got their freaking e-bikes out here. It's pretty nutty. Let's go. Yo, shout out that driver. He was supporting me in my adventures on my goddamn Shironsky. it's just cool, like being able to go anywhere. Like I really have no worries. Like if you know, if it happens and freaking copper comes behind me, it is what it is. Like I don't really care. I'm on an electric bike. Like come on, bro. Oh, look at the planes coming in. Right, we're gonna hit the jump. Oh, dude. It's so good. It's literally so good. Oh, I'm about to hit my head. See, I don't even have to go all the way, but I'm going straight up this, screw it. Like, it's so easy. Like, look, bro, we just did a hill climb like nothing, dude. Hey, you got a wheelie bike. You be wheeling that? Let's go. Why you got two bikes right now? Ah. Let's go. Hey, YouTube, MotoBroo. Check it out, alright? And we out here. Woohoo! A wheel ski? I swear I just gotta hop onto this curb though. Oh my god, that was freaking amazing. Yo, that was sick. You could like full, bro. Oh my, dude, I would literally launch off this. Bro, and this bike is stock. Like, I can't imagine what this bike would be like when you do mods to it. And this bike can go 80 miles per hour. Isn't that insane? Like, you put a new controller, new battery, you can make this thing go 80 miles per hour on a freaking mountain bike frame. Ridiculous. So I might as well just do a little walk around, because I know when I watch videos, I always like to see what the bike looks like. So yeah, she's looking pretty, bro. Fully stock Sur-Ron. So this is the Segway X260, but the Sur-Ron and the Segway X260 are the same exact bikes. Like, Segway owns Sur-Ron, or like has a high percentage of like money in Sur-Ron's company. So Sur-Ron let Segway just sort of use their bike but put a different name on it. I know it's a little confusing, because I was confused too. I was like, why did they make two different bikes, same brand, or different? I was like, why did they make two different brands but the same bike? Like, it didn't really make sense. But yeah, they're the same exact thing as far as I know. The only thing I think might be different is the controller on the Sur-Ron X, but I doubt it, bro. I think they're exactly the same. Either way, this thing rips, so I'm glad I got it. Yeah, when I say this is just the start, bro, this is literally just the start. I'm gonna take this thing all over, some pedal bike ride outs, maybe some Sur-Ron ride outs if they have those in Florida. I don't even know. Yeah, we're just cruising, bro. Gotta watch out for cars though, that's a fact. Alrighty gang, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, the first ride on my beautiful Sur-Ron. Man, this bike, wonderful. Remember, stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. I freaking love you. We got some bangers coming, especially with this. Like I said, I'm gonna take this all over. We're gonna be shredding. So till next time, peace.